Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see and talk about why is cybersecurity important and cybersecurity best practices. To begin with, let me move on to my next slide. Understanding the importance of cybersecurity. Well, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. These attacks can come in various forms such as malware, phishing scams, ransomware, and more. The consequences of successful cyber attacks can be devastating, ranging from financial loss and reputational damages to even threats to human safety. If you talk about the headlines nowadays, or if you talk about security blogs nowadays, you will see how much the companies are investing into cybersecurity, and same way how much hackers are investing in developing those tools to scratch into your system and exploit and then do attacks like ransomware to extort money from the organizations. And nowadays people are working from anywhere in this world. We communicate, we share information through different mediums and different communication channels. So cybersecurity is really important for us to make sure that information, our communications are all secured for us to stay safe in this era of cybersecurity. And now when you talk about personal security and privacy, cybersecurity is vital for protecting our sensitive information, like the way I was talking about. So with more of our lives moving online, from banking and shopping to socializing and healthcare, we are constantly sharing personal data that needs to be safeguarded, right? So just imagine that you don't have proper cyber security measures, you don't have your SOC teams, you don't have your email security, data security, network security, infra security. Just realize that how easily it would be for us to fall prey to the identity theft, different type of frauds and other malicious activities that can bring a lot of loss at an organization level. And if you talk about how our companies are making sure that we are aware of different malware, how the phishing attacks are done, the malicious URLs are inserted into our emails, you see that companies nowadays are investing lots of money to make sure that all of the employees are aware about cybersecurity, like how they can take care of their personal information, how at personal level, at each user or at each employee level, you can contribute to the cybersecurity to protect the company's data and company's information, as well as your personal information. How to reset your password, how to use multi-factor authentication, how to use data protection, things like that. So companies are investing lots of money in training all of their employees to make them aware about cybersecurity. And when you talk about innovation and technological advancement, additionally, cybersecurity is essential for fostering innovation and technological advancement. Well, as all of us embrace emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and autonomous systems, we must ensure they are secure and resilient against cyber threats. By investing in cybersecurity, research, and education, we can unleash the full potential of these technologies while mitigating risk. So I wanted to talk about why cybersecurity is important and share different scenarios with you in terms of how it is helpful and how it is important. So in next section of this video, we will discover the best practices of cybersecurity. Alright, now we talk about cybersecurity best practices you need to know. Alright, first and foremost, you have to got yourself a strong password, right? Because it is your first line of defense against the hackers. Make sure your passwords are long and complex with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date, and remember, never reuse passwords across multiple accounts. So you must have seen all those information while you are resetting or creating a password. They will always mention the in the name of password policy that what all good practice you follow or good things keep into your mind while you are setting up a password for any application, any website, or any of the resources in the cloud that you're using. All right. So the first and foremost thing is to have strong passwords. All right. So the next point is enable two-factor authentication. Well, two-factor authentication or 2FA would add an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password always. So whenever you are defining passwords within your organization for your workstations or assets, you define 2FA, whether the notification will be sent to your phone via any other mechanism or via a message, or you can use any two-factor authentication applications that you can install on your phone, and then you can set up the 2FA. Same way, the next point that I would like to cover is the Zero Trust Security Strategy. Zero Trust Security Strategy is a paradigm shift in cybersecurity that challenges the traditional perimeter-based approach. In this model, trust is never assumed, and every user, device, and application is treated as a potential threat, regardless of their location within or outside the network. So the concept behind Zero Trust is simple yet profound. Verify and authenticate every user and device attempting to access resources, regardless of whether they are inside or outside the corporate network perimeter. Okay, so the next point would be that you should be aware of phishing attempts. Always be aware of phishing attempts. Phishing emails may look legitimate, but they often contain malicious links or attachments. Always verify the sender's email address and avoid clicking on suspicious links. When you are in doubt or you have 1% doubt on that email or a link, you just submit your IT admin team. By mistake, I've written contact the sender directly through a verified channel. You should not do that. If you have a doubt, just submit that email as a phish or probably a phishing attack on to your IT admin department. Contact them and then mark that email as junk and block the sender. If there would be any doubts, you can anytime unblock that sender and add them into your safe list. Okay, but these are the basic points that you should be aware of. Other than that, you should conduct regular cybersecurity training. If your company is organizing them for you, that is okay. Read more about cybersecurity, watch videos, avoid binge watching on Netflix or any other OTT, and rather that utilize that time, makes yourself getting aware of the different technology. It should not only be cybersecurity or security, anything that you like, invest in that rather than binge watching and then regretting the next day that what you watched for 7 or 8 hours was of no use. Okay, avoid this step as well. So this also contributes towards developing knowledge about cybersecurity. Okay, and then you should invest in comprehensive solutions because every time, every year, every month, I would say every day, the style of doing cybersecurity attack is being developed by the hacker. So if you are on a spree of investing your time in comprehensive solution, in comprehensive reading, you will make yourself more aware every single day about this very interesting world of cybersecurity. Okay, I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.